Now we choose the head view model. Now it is off. We click. Notice this is the power for the head view. Then we place on. Now we can use the head view model. Now we choose the head view model to move the saw to the work origin. You can notice that it is high speed, but we will find the work origin, so we will choose the low speed. Now choose this date. Password is 4999999. Press OK. Now choose A. We will test 3 dates. First, this one. Okay. Choose the head view model. Now, because the saw is almost near the table, so we choose this one. It means 1 step move 1 millimeter. Now press stop. This button is control saw on or off. Okay, now it is almost touch the wood. It is okay. Now you can notice the Z distance is 280 millimeters. Now we input this number. You can notice that this number Z will be same. Press OK. Now we press again, we test other date. Now we test this. First we press the this button. Now we press Z down. Okay, now you notice that. Notice this date, 188. Now we input the same. This date, Z will be same.
这个需要客户自己测量。
You will fill this date according to your saw date. Press OK. Now we test the 3rd date. This one. First we out the saw. Then press the E again. We test this distance from the first and this mark point. Test the distance with a ruler. Because we test it is 254, so we input it. Save.